In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process invoices and receipts in Hubdoc to synchronize them into Xero seamlessly. The process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you can ensure that your financial records are both accurate and up to date, making your life as an accountant or business owner a little easier. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Xero accounting software. If you aren't already on the login page, head over there and click on the login button to input your credentials. Remember to double check that your email and password are entered correctly to avoid any access issues. Once you're logged in, find your way to the dashboard, the central hub for all your accounting needs within Xero. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see an option to click on your company name. This is essential as it will lead you to the integrated applications that Xero supports, among which is Hubdoc. Clicking on Hubdoc will redirect you to its platform, where the majority of the work will take place. Upon landing in Hubdoc, look for the option to upload a document. This action is where you'll bring in all those important invoices and receipts. Click on Upload Document to proceed. Now, to pull in the files stored on your computer, click on Browse to locate them. This browsing feature lets you efficiently navigate through your device's folders to find those critical documents that need processing. After selecting the files, upload them directly from your device. As soon as the upload concludes, be sure to close the dialog box to return to the main screen in Hubdoc. This step keeps the interface clutter-free and ensures you're focusing only on the necessary elements. Next, find and click on the file you've just uploaded. You'll want to pay attention here because on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll need to fill in essential fields such as the date, amount, vendor information, and any other pertinent details. Be meticulous with these entries to ensure accuracy within your records. Once every field is populated according to the details on your document, the next step is to click on Publish All. This command is what ultimately pushes your processed invoice or receipt directly into Xero. It seamlessly integrates the two platforms, ensuring that your data flows smoothly and remains accurate across different systems. And that's all there is to it. With these steps completed, Hubdoc will handle the synchronization, pushing the document into Xero automatically. This process minimizes manual entry errors and saves you valuable time. Thus, you can maintain a focus on growing your business or attending to your clients with assurance that your financial records are always up to date.